Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error, that is try again later, something happened on our end. So if you're receiving this error on Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make sure date, time zone and reason is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time. Now click on adjust date and time. Go now over here you can see set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. If set time automatically is off, turn it on. Now click on sync now. Sync now is important. If you receive any error in red color, just click on sync now multiple times, and once this is done, go to time and language once again, then go to language and region and make sure your country is selected over here. Select your country and then you can check. Still you are receiving the error. The next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, click on wsreset. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset Microsoft Store. Now for this you can type in store in Windows search box or type in Microsoft Store and then make a right click and then click on app settings over here. And scroll down over here you can see repair option, click on repair. And once the repair is complete, open Microsoft Store and then you can check. If that does not work, click on reset. And once the reset is done, now you can type in store in Windows search box and then open Microsoft Store and then you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to restart Windows Update Microsoft Store and background intelligence transfer service. Now for this you can type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Here you can see. Make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now find background intelligence transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. With this selected, make a right click. Click on restart. And now you can open Microsoft Store and then you can check. If you can open Microsoft Store, if you're able to see this screen, in that case you can go to downloads over here and at the top right here you can see check updates option. You can click on check update. Once everything is updated you can check. If this does not work, follow the next step. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. This will actually install the default apps, the Microsoft Store default apps over here. So let the process complete. During this process, if you see any error in red color, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red. Once that is done, now you can try to open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. To uninstall Microsoft Store, right now here you can see Microsoft Store is open. So you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste this command. This will and hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. And here you can see Microsoft Store is gone. Even if you type in Microsoft Store again, you won't find Microsoft Store over here. Now to reinstall Microsoft Store, copy this command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy this and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Always open this as an administrator. Paste the command over here. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. let me check. Yeah, Microsoft Store is installed. So this will install Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Now the next step is to run this command. This command is also provided. Run this SFC and DISM command. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. Copy this command and then paste it on the command prompt window, and then let me copy this properly. Copy it, CMD, right click, run as administrator is important, yes, allow, and then paste the command, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. This process will take some time, and once this is 100% complete, copy the second command and run the second command. And once this will also run a scan, and once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then you can check. Next step is to run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl and then click on inet cpl.cpl. Go to advanced tab, scroll down, and make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All four are checked over here, and then hit apply, click on OK, and then you can check. Next step is to update Windows 11, not the 10. Update Windows 11. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on check for update over here. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can open Microsoft Store and then check. This is important. Next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, and then go to recovery option, and then over here you can see the option which says fix problem using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to update Windows. You can use media creation tool. So to use media creation tool, I'm showing for Windows 11 only. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Then click on next, and then select ISO file over here. Select ISO file, and then you can click on next, and then you can set the location as desktop, and then you can click on save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and then you can click on next, and then you will see the finish option. Hit finish. Once you hit finish, you will see the screen. Setup is cleaning up before it closes. Let it close automatically. Do not do anything. Do not click over here. Just let it close automatically. This will close, and then you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file over here, and then you will see this setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow, and then you will see next option. Hit next over here, and then click on accept over here, and then this will take some time, and then you here you can see ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked, and then you can click on install. After the installation, you can log into the computer, and then you can open Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to reset Windows 11. Now before you reset, let me inform you that you will lose all the data on your computer. So you can create a backup first. So create a backup first before reset. And to reset, you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, and then go to recovery option. Over here you can see reset this PC option. Click on reset PC. Here you can see two options. Keep my files. This will removes application and settings, but keeps your personal files. And the second option, remove everything, removes all your personal file, application, and settings. So you can select the option which you want, and then you can go for local reinstall. This process will take some time, and once the reset is done, you have to set up your computer once again. You have to start everything from scratch, and then you can check Microsoft Store. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the store working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.